Hello everyone, welcome back to our English reading class, day 2. So let's start. The cat is on the mat. The dog can run. Ben has a red pen. The sun is hot. The pig is big. The bus is red. I have a blue bag. The boy has a cap. The girl has a doll. The hen can hop. The fox is in the box. The cup is on the desk. The rat is on the mat. Sam has a bat. Tom has a pet dog. The dog can sit. The cat can jump. The fish can swim. The bird can fly. The cow can run. I see a big bus. I see a red hat. I see a fat cat. I have a new pen. The pen is blue. The bag is big. The bed is soft. The fan is on. The egg is white. The mug is hot. The boy can read. The girl can sing. Dad has a van. Mom has a bag. The kid is happy. The duck is in the pond. The frog can jump. The goat can eat. The horse can run. This is my book. This is my pen. This is my bag. This is my cap. My cat is black. My dog is brown. My hat is new. We can play. You can read.